Another day, another story. Adobe Photoshop is a professional image editing software developed by Adobe Inc. It has been a leading software in the graphic design and digital imaging industry for many years. Here is some detailed information about Adobe Photoshop. 1. Features. Photoshop offers a wide range of features and tools for image editing, manipulation, and enhancement. Some key features include layers. Photoshop allows you to work with layers, which are independent editing areas stacked on top of each other. This feature enables non-destructive editing and precise control over different elements of an image. Selection tools. Various selection tools, such as Marquee, Lasso, and Magic Wand, enable you to select specific areas of an image for editing or manipulation. Retouching and healing. Photoshop provides tools like the healing brush, clone stamp, and content-aware fill for retouching imperfections, removing unwanted objects, and seamlessly blending content. Filters and effects. There are numerous filters and effects available in Photoshop, allowing you to apply artistic or stylistic changes to images. Examples include blur, sharpen, distortion, and lighting effects. Text and typography. Photoshop offers extensive text and typography tools for creating, formatting, and styling text within images. It supports various fonts, styles, and effects. Color correction. With adjustment layers, curves, levels, and other tools, Photoshop enables precise color correction and enhancement. It also supports working in different color spaces, including RGB, CMYK, and Lab. 3D editing. Photoshop has capabilities for creating, editing, and manipulating 3D objects and scenes, including applying textures, lighting, and rendering. 2. Workflow. Photoshop provides a flexible workflow that allows users to perform various tasks efficiently. You can open and edit images in various formats, work with multiple documents simultaneously, and organize your work using panels, workspaces, and presets. The software supports both raster and vector graphics, making it suitable for diverse design tasks. 3. Integration. Adobe Photoshop integrates well with other Adobe Creative Cloud applications, such as Adobe Illustrator, InDesign, and Lightroom. This integration allows for seamless collaboration and transferring of files between different software. 4. Industry usage. Photoshop is widely used in industries such as graphic design, photography, web design, advertising, and multimedia. It is a standard tool for professionals in these fields, providing the necessary tools and capabilities for creating and manipulating visual content. 5. Learning resources. Adobe offers extensive learning resources for Photoshop, including online tutorials, documentation, and a vibrant user community. There are also numerous third-party tutorials, courses, and books available to help users learn and master the software. It's worth noting that Adobe Photoshop has regular updates and new features introduced over time.